Robert is 67, widowed for 5 years, still sharp, still independent, still active. But when he sat down in my office, he looked uneasy. He asked quietly, "Is it weird that I still want to, touch myself even at my age?" My answer, your desire to feel pleasure didn't retire. It evolved. And so today, I want to speak directly to you if you're over 60, curious about solo pleasure, and wondering if there's more to it than what you've always done. 'Cause yes, there is. And the fourth technique we'll cover today, that one surprises most men. Does this video matter? The answer is yes. Let's take the stigma off the table. Masturbation after 60 is normal. It supports blood flow. It reduces prostate congestion. It improves sleep, mood, and confidence. And best of all, it connects you to your body in a deeply personal, private way. This video isn't about gimmicks or wild ideas. It's about deepening the experience physically and emotionally using practical, safe, and medically informed methods. So what changes with age, particularly when you are 60 and beyond? Let's acknowledge what may be different now. Your sensitivity may be reduced. Your arousal may take longer. You may experience less spontaneous erections. And your skin may be drier or more delicate. But don't worry. Here's the good news. 60 and beyond doesn't reduce your capacity for pleasure. It simply means you'll need to slow down, get curious, and become more intentional. So, today I'm giving you 5 techniques to master for comfort, confidence, and maximum pleasure. Let's begin. Technique number 1. The warm-up ritual. Most men jump straight to stimulation, but after 60, your nervous system needs ramping up. Here's how to build a proper warm-up. Set the scene. Turn off bright lights. Choose a quiet space. Let your environment invite calmness. Warm your body. Try a hot shower or warm compress to the lower abdomen. Stimulate non-genital areas first. Gently touch your chest, inner thighs, hips, neck. Use oil or lotion to increase comfort and signal relaxation. Ask yourself, how often do I touch my body without rushing to the end? The goal is circulation before stimulation. This can increase blood flow and enhance nerve readiness by over 30%. Technique number 2, edging and pause control. Let's talk about control. Edging is the practice of bringing yourself close to orgasm, then stopping and repeating that process. Why does this matter for older men? Because it increases the amount of blood in erectile tissue. It increases dopamine and oxytocin. It allows for a stronger, longer-lasting orgasm. Here's how to try it. Stimulate until you're about 70% to 80% to climax. Stop, breathe, and wait for the urge to cool slightly. Resume slowly, possibly with a new rhythm. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. Try asking yourself mid-session, am I chasing the finish line or enjoying the journey? For many men, the first few attempts at edging feel awkward. That's okay. With practice, it becomes one of the most powerful techniques you'll ever use. Technique number 3, grip and texture variation. This is where you expand your pleasure map. After 60, nerve endings may require more stimulation variety to respond well. So it's time to explore beyond the typical hand motion. Start with grip awareness. Try lighter touch with just your fingertips. Switch to a firm grasp, but with pulsing instead of friction. Alternate between one hand and 2. Next, introduce texture. Use a soft washcloth. Try massage gloves or a silk scarf. Lubrication helps reduce friction and improves skin safety. Question for you. Have you ever used your non-dominant hand or changed rhythm? This technique reactivates nerves that may have gone quiet and brings surprising depth to even short sessions. Technique number 4, fantasy integration and sensory rehearsal. This is often the favorite. Now we go from body to mind. Your imagination can turn physical touch into full-body sensation, especially as testosterone shifts. This is called mental rehearsal or what I call fantasy focus. This is how it works. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly and deeply. Visualize a scene or memory, a scent, a voice, a certain touch. Sync your hand rhythm to what you're picturing. Use audio, soft music, or affirmations to keep your mind focused. This creates a feedback loop between your brain and body, making it easier to stay aroused, maintain sensitivity, and prolong pleasure. And for men who struggle with performance anxiety or visual focus, this changes everything. Technique number 5. Aftercare for pleasure longevity. One of the most underutilized tools for men over 60 is what you do after climax. That's right. What you do after pleasure affects your body's ability to repeat it later. Here's a 5-minute aftercare ritual. Don't rush to clean up. Lie still. Breathe slowly for 2 to 3 minutes. Massage your chest or thighs gently. This sustains oxytocin and blood flow. Rehydrate with water or herbal tea. Reflect. Journal one word or feeling from the session. Why does this matter? It reduces performance pressure next time. Supports prostate health. Encourages confidence and curiosity instead of judgment. Pleasure doesn't end with climax. Pleasure is sustained through awareness. You're not done yet. You might be 60, 70, or even 80. But your desire for connection, pleasure, and release, that's not gone. That's just waiting to be rediscovered. Masturbation is not something men grow out of. It's something men grow deeper into, with awareness, intention, and self-respect. So here's what I want you to remember. You are not broken. You are not alone. And you are definitely not done. Choose one technique from today and try it slowly, without judgment. Let your body show you what it still knows how to feel. Thank you for staying with me. Now it's time to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, which technique surprised you the most? Let's discuss respectfully and openly. If you've implemented any of the techniques we discussed today, let us know in the comments and let's talk about it. Share your experience so others can learn from you. If you try something new later this week, come back and tell us how you feel. Your story might inspire someone else. If this video helped you, tap like, share it with a brother or friend, and subscribe to the channel. Remember to tap the bell so you never miss clear, respectful health guidance. Check out the rest of the channel for more videos that support men's health and confidence at any age. Until next time, stay informed, stay confident, stay healthy.